Welcome back to Blockchain Pill. We are at the World Computer Day here in Davos during the World Economic Forum. The entire Dfinity team is here. Dominic Williams is here. He's going to talk about the self-writing internet, which I think is going to be super interesting to learn more about. And yeah, all in all, I think that everything massive is happening here, and we're going to go and see what people have to say about it.
The idea is that anyone on Earth who can speak natural language can create websites, web applications, and internet services without doing anything other than speaking. And of course, that's because AI is building an internet computer protocol, provides it with an ideal platform to build solo.
I have here one of my favorite people at Dfinity. This is Jan Camenisch, the Chief Technical Officer at Dfinity. Jan, it's a pleasure talking to you. Please tell our viewers who you are and what you do at Dfinity.
Hey, yeah, I mean, you just said it. I'm a CTO at Dfinity Foundation. Actually, I'm excited about Davos because I just grew up here in the area. So for me, it's always nice to come back up here and enjoy myself at World Computer Day.
If people were to live with one idea in their mind from this event, what should that idea be?
Well, of course, it should be that the internet computer is the one place to build your software in the future, right? And today, you want to build your software without having to worry about it being hacked or insecure or anything like that. It's easy for users. So on ICP you can build on a secure platform on a blockchain if you want. Full stack, end to end, and it's easy for users to use. All they have to do is to fire up their browser, enter the smart contracts URL, and they're talking to the internet computer. And as a developer, you don't have to worry about anything. Just focus on the app you want to build it, off you go. That's all you need to do.
So would you say that on-chain is the future of the internet?
Totally, right? Like the internet was the future of messaging, email and all of that. The internet computer is the future of compute, right? All software, apart from some exceptions obviously, but software will be run on a protocol like the internet computer.
What is going to be Dfinity's focus in 2025?
More users, more developers, making it easy for developers to build, make it easier for users to onboard, just churn away at that, remove frictions, scalability, right? As more people come, make sure we scale out. But scalability is actually sometimes the easier thing. It's getting users, getting them onto, use it without actually having to understand some of these hard concepts.
So 2025 is going to be an exciting year for the Internet Computer Protocol, and I'm looking forward to see what you guys are cooking for us.
Definitely. I mean, it's going to be very different this year from other years in the sense that now AI has come out, users can also use AI to code up, and it just makes it the amount of people who are able to build on ICP much larger, right? Because you don't have to have so much coding skills as used in the past. You can use AI as a tool, and that's like a perfect matchup for a new platform like the internet computer. It's always hard for people to migrate there to do the stuff, and the AI can greatly and will greatly help that. So we're also leading into that, of course.
Pierre, hello, it's a pleasure to talk to you once more. Please tell our viewers who you are and what you do at Dfinity.
Hi guys, my name is Pierre. I'm the Chief Business Officer at Dfinity, so taking care about everything from business strategy to products and obviously our relevant business relationships.
We are now at the World Computer Day. What is the World Computer Day? What are we celebrating here?
So the World Computer Day is actually a fantastic event that our team put together, where everyone from institutional folks to even Web3 crowd or even the general tech public and politicians and governments come together to discuss the disruptive potential that a world computer infrastructure actually brings to the many different areas.
If there was one thing that everybody here would have in their mind when they left the World Computer Day, what would that one idea be?
That's a tough one because the world computer has so many great things. But I think the top one would probably be the self-writing internet, so what Dom is going to talk about later. So the idea of the internet not only being able to generate content, but to generate entire apps via prompting. I think we're very close to showcasing that to the public.
Yeah, a lot of people inside the ICP ecosystem are excited to see those demos. Everybody is crying to see them. I'm looking forward to see them. Yeah. I know you're retweeting a lot from Oizy Wallet. Can you tell us about Oizy a little bit? What makes it different from all the other wallets?
So yeah, Oizy is actually a super cool wallet that we launched probably 3 months ago. Version 1 is coming out on Feb 23rd, right around ETH Denver. Oisi actually is a perfect showcase for the internet computer technology. It is a self-custody wallet, but your keys are stored by the network, right? Which means no more private key anxiety. There's literally little chance that you ever lose your keys. The second thing, it is multi-chain. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. We have a few others in the pipeline as well that are fully integrated. So it's that one wallet to rule them all, right? Where you can natively trade all kinds of assets. And the best thing about it is you don't need to download an app. So no gatekeeping via Apple or Google. Yeah, you can just access it through the browser like every ICP app. And there's also no need for a wallet extension for someone to read your data, because it all just works on the ICP infrastructure.
Incredible. And the final question is, what is going to be Dfinity's focus in 2025?
All right, that's very straightforward. Number one, AI, right? And on AI, we're focusing on two things. The first one is going to be sovereign AI, so really AI models running on the internet computer. The second thing is the self-writing internet, which is it's in itself a very big theme. And I know everyone's asking for caffeine. Focus number two is DeFi singularity. So really the idea of creating an environment where people can just trade assets without worrying about fees, without worrying about switching the chain, and so on. And the third one is sovereign apps and sovereign cloud, which is the main case of the internet computer. And that goes for institutional clients, but also for retail.
It sounds like we're going to have an incredible 2025. Looking forward to see what you guys are going to ship. And yeah, it's going to be exciting.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'm very much looking forward to the year. And yeah.
I hope you guys enjoy this type of videos. I'm really sorry that I didn't manage to record more interviews or, talk to Dom, but it was really difficult to get a hold of Dom. Everybody was trying to talk to him. I want to talk about just how important those in-person events are for networking. If you're trying to get a hold of somebody from Dfinity, or if you're trying to get in touch with somebody from Dfinity and it's hard to get to talk to them via emails, maybe they don't respond to your whatever messages you send them, the best way to get in touch with them are those in-person events. And Dfinity has been going to all kind of events around the world. They've been in Europe, in Asia, in America, and a bunch of Dfinity employees are there, and they are there for people to get in touch with them and to talk to them. So if you're having a hard time getting in touch with them, maybe join an in-person event. And actually the next one where Dfinity is gonna be, and I'm also gonna be there to help them with the video production, is going to be ETH Denver in the USA, in Colorado. The problem with many of those events is that the tickets can be like hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. But I'm gonna show you a hack how to go to ETH Denver without actually paying for the ticket. And if you go to their website and you create an account with your email address, and the cool thing, ETH Denver has a DAO, and if you are a member of the DAO, you get the ticket for free, which is super cool. They give you a token and they stake it for you, automatically making you a member of the DAO, and there you go, you receive the ticket for free instead of paying like $500 or $600, whatever the price is. So if you are in the US, apply to receive a free ticket from ETH Denver, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video, and I will hopefully do more interviews for the next events where I go to. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any feedback or any questions or anything of the sorts. And yeah, that's the video. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.